Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by turning on your Ps5 and signing into your PlayStation Network account. Open the PlayStation Store from the Ps5 home screen and use the search field. Type Sony Pictures Core and press Enter to find the app listing. Select the official Sony Pictures Core app and choose Download to install it to your console. Wait until the installation progress reaches 100% before returning to the home screen. Do not turn off your Ps5 while the app installs. After installation, open Sony Pictures Core from the Ps5 home screen and accept the terms of service. Use your Sony account to sign in inside the app and link it to your PlayStation Network account if prompted. Confirm your country or region during setup to enable correct catalog availability and pricing. If your content does not appear, check Ps5 system region settings and the PlayStation Store region. For best performance, use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection or a wired Ethernet cable. Before streaming, configure your Ps5 video settings to enable 4K output and HDR if your TV supports them. Go to Settings, then Screen and Video, and set resolution to 2160p when available. Set audio output to linear PCM or your preferred surround format for optimal sound when using Sony Pictures Core. Ensure your Ps5 system software is updated to the latest version to maintain app compatibility and security. Optionally,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.